Joining us right now, we have Jay Kinnemer with the McMahan Law Firm, along with Dr. Jason Ream with the Plastic Surgery Group, and we're talking about the importance of being board certified. We love to see the certifications, the plaques on the walls. They actually do mean something. Jay, I want to start with you here because in the law field, being board certified does mean a lot, because sometimes everything you see on television and everyone asking for your business may not always be the right person for you. Well, why is it so important for in your field?
That's exactly right. Excuse me, I'm fighting a cold, but I'm board certified in civil trial practice, and less than 2% in the state are certified in civil trials practice. Now, the public wants to be sure that they're calling somebody that actually knows what they're doing, not someone that's got a flashy commercial that says they're the way to go when they don't know what to do. Even if they had to file a suit up here in Tennessee, then they can go and find someone that's actually board certified, knows what they're doing. And that's a problem in the legal area right now. Anybody can buy a flashy commercial, and they, to me, they pose a danger to the community of they're saying that they're the way to go, when insurance companies are actually laughing at them and won't pay their clients the fair amount. But they don't tell them that on their flashy little commercials.
Sure. And of course, all cases are different, all people are different, but what are some of those consequences that maybe you've had to deal with?
Well, usually when another lawyer has a mess, eventually I get the call, or someone at my firm gets the call, and we're the ones that usually fix it. Okay, I just wish people would have, brought that to me first in the beginning, so I wouldn't have to try to fix something, because I do feel kind of obligated to the public to try to fix things, because it protects our legal standing and of our profession. Along that line, we'd like to have strong relationships, and we as a local law firm have strong relationships with the finest medical personnel in this area. And that brings me right, I brought Dr. Jason Ream of the Plastic Surgery Group, one of the best plastic surgeons in this area, and his group in this area.
Now, of course, with Jay here, lots of times it's paperwork, but it's still impacting several people's lives here. Yours maybe could be a little bit more noticeable, but when it comes to being board certified in the medical field, obviously the amount of training and everything that you guys go through, is bar none. But what are some of those consequences that maybe you have seen, or maybe something that you want to tell the public why board certification means so much to you?
Right, well, in a similar fashion, we like to talk about board certification in the whole realm of a patient choosing a physician, whether it's a plastic surgeon or other. We actually do a lot of hand surgery with workers' comp that comes from different law firms and towns, and in a similar fashion there's a training that goes along with the hand surgery. But board certification in plastic surgery ensures that the physician's been through the medical school that's required by everybody, the residency that's required for everybody, but also some rigorous training and examination to achieve that board certification.
And you sort of bring up a good point here with workman's comp sort of working together here too, because sometimes insurance companies will have their own doctors, and you have to be a little bit maybe fishy about that, but coming to someone that's board certified, obviously there's much more accountability that's associated with that too.
There is, but I mean, it's just choosing a physician in general. I mean, it's partly some responsibility of the patients to do a little research. The board certification is one component. The physician's affiliation with different hospitals in town. I would suggest going on a website, talking to friends, all those sorts of things. Certainly board certification in those areas that you're needing the help with is important, among other things.
And I think for both of you guys here, as we are putting the information up on the screen, how do we know? Is it something that they need to put on their website, or is that just a question we need to ask right off the bat?
When someone's hurt, let me fill this part. When someone's hurt on the job or in a horrible accident and so forth, they need to, if they're looking and they don't know who the most qualified personnel, medical personnel, they need to call us right away. If a company is trying to rustle them off to somebody, guarantee that there's a reason why.
Well, the benefit of being able to contact some of the folks, especially here locally, is that you can ask those questions. Again, there's the information from McMahan Law Firm located there on High Street. The phone number 265-1100. Again, 423-265-1100. You can also go to their website, which is McMahanLawFirm.com. I appreciate you guys coming in and helping us out.
All right, thank you.
All right, folks.